Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Airbnb gift card to Apple Wallet. The first thing you want to do is simply open up your Apple Wallet app. Once you're in, tap the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen. From here, select debit or credit card. It works for whichever type of card you're adding. Then tap continue. Now, you'll see two options. You can either hold your card near your phone so it scans automatically, or you can choose to enter the details manually. If you enter them manually, just fill in the card number, expiration date, and security code. After that, scan the back of your card or complete the information, and your card will be added to Apple Wallet. If your bank supports it, you'll get a quick verification step and then you're good to go. And that's it. That's how to add Airbnb gift card to Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.